today. I have a quick tip for you if you want to have flawless skin. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me and for watching this video today. I have a quick tip for you if you want to have flawless skin. There are so many things that will work on our bodies, our faces, our skin, and we just want to have that perfect flawless skin. And I know that it can be a lot and can be kind of daunting sometimes, but I'm here with one element that can help you do all in one without you like worrying about a lot of things. And this is me talking about aloe vera gel. I have the processed aloe vera gel, the one that I bought in the store, but if you can lay your hands on the organic one, better for you. But if not, this one also works equally. I use this a lot of times because it's not every time you come in contact with the fresh and organic aloe vera gel, but this is also very good. So why does aloe vera gel work? Aloe vera gel helps to balance the pH of your skin. It has anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, antifungal properties. It's like an antidote for many skincare issues. Like, I grew up knowing that if you have a cut, use aloe vera gel. If you have acne, use aloe vera gel. If you have a bruise, use aloe vera gel. If you have eczema, use aloe vera gel. If you have a boil, use aloe vera gel. Almost anything, and it's like 90% water and gel. So, and the water helps to hydrate your skin. It helps to keep your skin supple, soft, amongst many other things. But there are 5 major key points I want you guys to learn today, which you can get from using your aloe vera gel. Nothing else. If you don't even want to do any of all those rigorous skincare treatments like mixing this with this, turning this to this, doing ice cubes and all that, don't worry, just using aloe vera gel can be very beneficial for you. So the first thing aloe vera gel does for you is to help you treat your open pores. A lot of people complain about open pores on their skin. You know, when you have open pores and you're just looking for how you can close them up. If you have open pores too, you can be like susceptible to some skincare issues and you just don't want it and you don't like the look of it. Applying aloe vera gel on your face can help you close your pores effectively. Aloe vera gel is very effective in closing your open pores. The second thing aloe vera gel does is to work as a primer. I like this very much. I don't use this as a primer before my makeup, but I try to do it as like skincare. If I know I'm going to be wearing makeup for the rest of the day, I just apply the gel on my face and I wash it off gently with water after some time. This helps to reduce the oil on your face to a great extent, and that way you are sure that your makeup is going to stay fresh and stay dry almost all day. Aloe vera is very, very good as a primer before your makeup, or you can just do it as a skincare method just before you apply your makeup on your face. Aloe vera gel also helps to remove dark circles and puffiness. If you have dark circles on your eyes, underneath your eyes, if you just have a general puffy face, applying aloe vera gel on your face is going to help a great deal. Aloe vera gel also makes your skin and your face pimple free and very radiant and supple. Applying the aloe vera gel is also going to help you to like fight against acne that is going to come on your face. So even if you don't have acne on your face, if you don't have pimples on your face, doing this as a pre-regimen is also very good for your skin because it helps to keep your skin radiant, no dark spots whatsoever. And last, one thing I like aloe vera gel for is it helps to make your skin glow. It makes your skin radiant. Like I said earlier on, all those dark spots. It helps to maintain the pH of your skin because your skin needs to have a desired level of pH in order for it not to crack, not to have dryness and all that. And this is something that aloe vera can help you achieve. So how do you use your aloe vera? Very, very simple. This is the aloe vera gel. Just take a bit of this on your hands and apply it all over your face. So I like doing this like every night. So even if I don't want to have a strict regimen, if I don't want to do anything, if I remember my aloe vera gel, I just apply this all over my face before I go to bed. So massage this on your face very well for like 2 minutes. Concentrate on all the areas of your face, underneath your eyes, around your mouth, your nose, your forehead, everywhere basically. And you can go to bed like this. Aloe vera gel is very good, but if you notice that it's making your face itch, I would advise you to wash it after like 5 minutes. But I know many people do not react to aloe vera gel, but you can never be too sure, you can never be too careful. Always do a patch test first before you go on to apply everything on your face, and so your face does not burn, itch, or have any other kind of side effect. So doing this helps to keep your face supple, it helps your face to be radiant, it helps to keep your face pimple and acne free, it helps to reduce puffiness, all the inflammation on your face, on your skin. It helps to like ward all those things off. So that is my tip for you guys today. If you enjoyed this video, kindly give this video a thumbs up. If you've not subscribed to my channel, kindly use this opportunity to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell because that lets you know when I drop new videos. I hope you learned something. If you did, don't keep this video to yourself. Kindly pass it around, pass it to your sister, to your wife, to your friend, your bestie, pass it to your mom. Everybody, they need to know this simple thing you can do for your face to glow, to remain radiant, supple, and all of that good stuff. I'll see you subsequently in other videos. Just stay beautiful as always. Bye.